forget, if you download the app, click rewind and you get a chance to listen to Showtime wherever you are. Just go to iworld.co.za, click on podcasts and you'll get the best drive waiting for you with Toby and Showtime. So Aewon Wolf is in the building.
Yay!
Yeah?
Finally, I mean, I was telling him that Tippy was advocating that we had to get him in. Obviously, because we've all been actually waiting for some new material from him, and it's finally happening. The album is done. It's going to be available next week, which is exciting. It is titled Mural. And I think we're all just really excited just to hear some of the material that he's been cooking up in the studio. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
We are good. we know that you're going to be dropping 2 singles very, very soon.
Yeah.
Radio and Live and Die Tegwin. Yes. So can you take us through the decision to sort of just drop both of them at the same time?
The decision, basically, I've been spending 4 years to make this album. So this album's been like 4 years in the making. I've been holding back singles for so long. Like, it's been the hardest thing coming through here, doing shows with the same songs. And like, people asking for more material, but I had to like hold back stuff for the album, which is like what I believe is going to represent me the best. So with this, I'm dropping 2 singles because I've held out for so long. And I've been throwing like singles as distractions, to be honest. There's singles I put out there as distractions to keep the people going, at least create a vibe. At least when I do shows, there's something new, a little bit fresh. But otherwise, the album is what is going to represent me the best. So these singles are the first thing that I want to put out to just say, yo, this is Aewon Wolf and this is what's up.
Nice. And now talking just the journey of the album, we do know it's done, but obviously the listeners want to know how many tracks, are there a few collaborations that you actually have with a few people?
Yeah, actually the album is 20 tracks deep. And the album is like, it's a long album. I know people don't have attention spans now, but I really believe in the music that's in the album. A lot of collaborations, but mostly people that are not famous. I don't want to be eating off other people's hype or anything. I just want it to be genuine music and dope music that I've been working on for the last 4 years. So like, I've got obviously the Wolfpack there, Shikana, Kyle, Sketchy Bongo. But then I also got like production from Teleman.
Nice.
I got Gemini Major, my brother there. I got WTF. I've got guys named Easy Freak from Durban. A lot of Durban acts actually.
Yeah.
So if you don't know by now, I'm all about Durban.
Yeah.
But anyway, I actually got Uzakwe on one of the singles that's dropping next week. Paul Tusi and T would touch on the single as well, the same single. So like, I'm excited, man. And I got like two new artists, Wolfpack, the ones we released in this year. That they hot, like you're gonna be blown away when you hear them.
I want to talk about the album cover because you got an album cover that's totally different from what we've seen in hip hop, especially in 2016. The inspiration from the album cover, what's the concept there?
Well, the title of the album is called Mural, which is like a wall painting. And I don't know if people know hip hop history and stuff, and graffiti is a part of hip hop history. So I kind of wanted to like send a tribute to hip hop, because I came up out of hip hop, but the album is not exactly a traditional hip hop album. Yeah. So it's like a bit of a play on the idea that this is not a hip hop album, but it's going to be very hip hop in terms of the way I pitch it. And it's a mural on the wall, which is how you like leave memories for people who died and whatever, like in the hip hop history, type of thing. So like in that way, I'm saying this is my tribute to myself. That if I die, this is how you're going to remember me. This is my mural.
That's dope.
So this is how you're going to remember me. But and the album is like it's very creative, very different, which is all about art. So that's back to the mural idea.
I like that.
I mean, that's very, very exciting. And obviously, when does it drop so that people can go and get it? And he also just showed us a little bit of a sneak of the 2 videos and that he actually edited himself. And talking to the editing side of you, why decide to be that involved in that project?
Well, I enjoy directing. I enjoy like editing. I enjoy like filmmaking, anything creative. Actually, that's like my thing. Like if people know me, they know me well. That I like write a lot of songs as well. So like I've written songs that came out last year. Some I'm really not allowed to say, but like I wrote a lot of songs that were hits last year. Yeah. So that's another side of me that people don't know. So it's just a part of being creative. So directing and doing my own videos, that's just literally like just me expressing myself in another form that I was able to learn through YouTube, actually, funny enough.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
That's crazy, man. So the album does drop next week?
Next week, 25th of Jan. It's definitely dropping next week, 25th of Jan. It's going to be digital first, and then a few weeks after that, it's going to be actual hard copies available. Yeah.
Oh.
Last year you said something on one of your songs about now you're figured out how to make a milli. You really made a milli last year?
Yeah.
Tell him.
You know, like don't hide it, yo. I'm tired of people coming through and saying saying we nah, man.
Being humble, yeah.
Yo, man, if you made a milli, you trying to add another zero, make it 10 milli. Shout out, dog.
I mean, that's not really for me. It's not the important part. Like
Yeah, let's not lie. Let's get the bread, dog.
the bread's important for my family, man. If
Yeah.
you're not taking care of family, like this is a message to all artists out there.
Yeah.
If you're out there popping bottles, you're not taking care of family, you are not doing it right.
Shout
Like,
out.
that money means nothing. Nothing.
Shout out to Aewon. He's a rapper with a milli. Yo, man, like, he's got a milli. Alright, cool. They stand for sports. Where do people follow you?
Instagram, Facebook, everything's Aewon Wolf, AEWON Wolf. Everything.
Yo, why don't you have a goal and everything? You made a milli, dog.
I got a warehouse.
Oh!
Hi,
What's
yeah.
that?
Hi, that's Shuri. Oh yeah? Shuri.